I'm going to show you how to integrate Shopify with Klaviyo. Now, really quickly, you're going to see some references to a school community. I'll be talking about it in the video. I'll say stuff like, hey, just so you know, if you want to figure out how to do this, watch the other training module. That might not make sense to you. It's because this was recorded as part of my school community in the training modules that I record. So if you want to get access to that whole community and all of the classes, as well as weekly calls with me, there is a link in the description to this video. So check that out. Anyway, let me show you how to get this integration done. Really quickly, sorry to interrupt the video. I just wanted to tell you something really cool that we've started doing with Inbox. I've actually created a school community where I teach you anything and everything I know about email and SMS marketing, from really advanced campaign strategies to how to simply set up your Klaviyo account, all the way to building really cool automations for the back end of your e-commerce store. Whether you're a business owner trying to learn how to do email marketing or an email marketer trying to learn how to become a better email marketer, there is a link in the description to this school community where I teach you everything I know. Check it out, it's worthwhile. Book a call to have a chat with me to see if you're a right fit for the community, and if you are, I'd love to get you in there. Anyway, sorry for interrupting your video, let's get back to it. In this video here, I'm gonna show you how to connect Shopify directly to your Klaviyo account. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go into Klaviyo here. You're gonna click Settings, or rather Integrations, in the bottom left-hand corner. You're gonna click Explore Apps. You're gonna go ahead and type in Shopify. Grab Shopify, click Install, okay? And then you're gonna add your store URL. Now, you can find your store URL by going into, essentially, I like to do it by the domains section, but you can also go here, go into your Shopify store, all right? Click Online Store, View Online Store, and you can take this URL from there, but you need to have the myshopify.com section in it. Now, I can't find it in this one, so instead I'm gonna go here. Type in domains, okay, go domains. I'm gonna find the My Shopify one. Copy that, pop that in, and you're gonna enable track behavioral events. And then this here is, it's gonna sync the profiles that you have in Shopify, so customers or people that have subscribed to email marketing on your Shopify store. And it's gonna pull them from Shopify, everybody in the past, and it's going to pull them to a specific list in Klaviyo. Now, it's really important that you do not have a welcome series live right now. You want to make sure that you do not have a welcome series live when you pull everyone into Shopify, because what it's going to do is it's then going to go ahead and essentially, if you have a Shopify, if you have a welcome series live that's triggered off of somebody joining this list, once Shopify pulls everybody in, it's going to put them all through that welcome series. So for the time period of this sync, just make sure that if you have a welcome series triggered off of this list here, email list in this case, you can select any list that you want, that it is left to draft. Okay, cool. Connect to Shopify. It will then take you to Shopify. Okay, you just want to leave all this. This is good. You're going to click Install. Click Integrate. You're going to confirm that. Integrate. Cool. You're going to scroll down here and you want to sync all this data. You want all this data to be synced. Basically, it's just syncing all the Shopify data into Klaviyo, and it's updating their subscription and all that stuff. As you can see here, the sync is starting, and you will start getting checkout started, place order, order product metrics, and fulfilled order metrics set up there. Okay. Just make sure you have the app embed set up as well here. So you can go here and enable this JavaScript. Make sure it's just on. Okay, so now the JavaScript is on. Save. And then once you do that, this should then change. Okay, there you go. And now it's live. Cool. And the sync is still working. So now your pop-up forms and your active on-site events can be tracked. Now, if you remember in Module 4, I was talking about basically the extended data, okay? So really important here that we go back into settings afterwards, okay? And we go into data, and we enable anonymous visitor tracking, and then we also extend ID, okay? So extend it, click enable, okay? There you go, save. That's all you got to do. And that is how you integrate Shopify with Klaviyo.